Trend Mystery is a powerful MT4 trend indicator, not EA/robot, that works on all pairs and M15, M30, H1, H4 and D1 timeframes. Trend Mystery comes with a step-by-step user guide with screenshots, special tips and trading recommendations. It can help you get the most out of this new indicator. Every time there's a new trading opportunity, Trend Mystery can generate a new buy or sell signal. Presently, FX seems to be one of the most profitable investment for short-term investors. In fact, to profit from Forex, you will mostly see chart and then complete an order. If you know how to sell, buy and take profit the correct way, you will certainly win. But, nothing is easy as you think. Of all 100 traders, just 10 of them can really profit from it. There's a lot of things to analyze, such as trendline, MACD, RSI, money flow, etc. So, to become successful, you definitely need them to master it. Here's where Trend Mystery comes to play, and this is the only trend indicator I got a lot of profit from and highly recommend. There are 4 trading styles Trend Mystery adopts, and you can pick any style you want. Trading style A is the most important parameter. It's set to conservative by default. Besides, there are 3 modes for trading style, and they are as follows. Conservative style that concentrates on safety rather than on speed. Medium style, that combination of conservative and aggressive. Aggressive style that concentrates on speed of signals rather than. Custom style that allows you to take full control of the signals and manually configure them to match your needs. Personally, I just choose conservative as a default because I feel it's the best setup for the lowest risk. In short, this is the best investment I made to date, and I would highly recommend you to try this software out as it generates signal based on good trading rules and trend line.